Hey guys, this is Henshaw's How To. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to break down an AR15 for cleaning. But first guys, please hit that subscribe button because it can really help a small channel like mine to grow. Okay, first step to taking your AR apart. You need to drop the magazine and check and make sure it's empty. You want this gun clear. Alright, now that you're sure your AR is clear, you got two pins. One back here by the forward assist and one up here in front of your dust cover. You push them out from the other side. So for this step, I like to turn the firearm upside down so it doesn't fall apart. You'll push those pins through here and pull on the other side. Push this pin here, pull that out. Now you can pull the lower off. Inside the lower, you got the hammer and all your trigger components. You can go ahead and oil those for cleaning and wipe them down if they happen to be real dirty. And you're done with the lower. Now here, you'll grab your charging handle and your bolt carrier and charging handle will come out. And you can clean, oil your bolt carrier, set that to the side. Might want to oil and clean your charging handle, and then you can set that to the side. And now from here, you can clean your barrel from this side, so you're pushing all the gunk outside your barrel, and you can clean your chamber and everything else from this position as well. Now to put this back together, it's going to be just the opposite. Set this upside down here, take your charging handle, and there's a little groove inside here. So you stick your charging handle in, and you'll feel it fall in that groove, and just slide it ever so slightly forward. Now, you'll take your bolt carrier, and you'll make sure you see how it can twist forward and back. You want this in the forward position, and this is your gas tube here. So you'll line this gas tube up with the groove here in your charging handle, just like this, and you'll slide it in there. Now you push both of these forward and they'll click. Now you're good to take your lower, stick it back on the firearm, push that pin in, push the back pin in, flip it around, and you're good to go. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of this video, please remember to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. It can help this channel a lot. Alright, thanks guys.